It's a very wrong time, right? Yeah, I know, and I'm not going to take lots of time because all of you are having a great fun, and I think I just gave it like an intruder at a very wrong time. So, anyways, my name is Abhishek, and I represent a company called Oblame as its vice president. And I'm not going to give all of you guys a big lecture or anything. I can just see lots of enthusiasm, and all of you are stepping into an industry which is known for very, very tough and demanding. I just wanted to just tell all of you that there are certain things that which becomes very important as a part of this journey. So the most important thing is that is do whatever that you do, and wherever you start with lots of pride. Whenever you wear a uniform, always remember that this is not a uniform. You are just wearing the trust. Any passenger or anyone you are encountering there at the airport, maybe you guys will be responsible to give them that experience. Sometimes that experience they carry it with them. They will be carrying it with them throughout their life, and you guys are responsible for that. Start with wherever you are starting in life, whatever small it be, you just take lots of pride in that. This industry is all about passion, right? This is all about passion. Most important thing here it is that is to have that mindset, the mindset to serve, because it's a part of the service industry. Aero Falcon is an amazing institute. Lots of you guys that you come and join us, and you are a part of this industry. But the most important thing it is that is be very passionate about service. Service is very different than any other industry. As and when you have that mindset, there is absolutely no limit of your growth. And the most other second thing it is that is have a passion for learning. And when I say learning, learning does not mean your education pursuit. It means that every day you learn from the passengers, you learn from the people around you. So be passionate about learning, take pride in your uniform, be very passionate about serving people, and trust me, the sky will be a limit. It's not important where you are starting. So welcome aboard, welcome to the skies. Many of you will be a part of cabin crew, few people will be a part of cargo operation, few people will represent some of the airlines. So wherever you are, I wish you all the best. Continue your study here, and then after that reach out to all the industry experts, and I'm sure that they will be there to guide you, all of you. Have a great time and then enjoy the fun. Bye bye, and wish you all the best, all of you.
So, thank you, Abhishek sir. 1 minute.